What is the secret of longevity? How to maintain health and achieve inner harmony? Scientists and philosophers in different periods gave different answers to these questions. Medieval scholars believed that in order to live harmoniously and healthily in this world, people should take care of nature and pay attention to the cleanliness of air, water, and soil. They must protect the animal and plant world, use natural resources wisely, create healthy environmental conditions around them, properly plan settlements and buildings, and maintain their cleanliness. Take care of the perfection of their material world, physical education, sports, efficient food, proper work, and rest. Regime, as well as to achieve spiritual harmony, control of emotions, self-training, and fight against diseases, medicine, and pharmacy. Despite the high progress in all fields of science, more interest in ancient traditions and folk knowledge has been awakened in recent years. The progress made by mankind in recent decades really amazes our imagination. Hundreds of new and highly effective drugs, medical devices, and treatment methods have been invented and put into production. Unfortunately, not all of them are well tested or sufficiently safe. Untested drugs, unhealthy food additives, and dangerous children's toys are no less common in today's consumer goods market. All of this is due to the fact that we do not always succeed in understanding the facts obtained by scientists. Appreciating modern achievements, we must understand that the current scientific and technical progress is only 100 to 150 years old, while humanity has been existing, thinking, and creating for many millennia. According to the treatment principles of medieval doctors, to heal a person, it is not enough to treat only one organ. It is necessary to treat the person as a whole, that is, with the joint use of various treatment methods, affecting both his physical and emotional state. Thus, different therapy methods should strengthen each other's positive effects. 1. Taking preparations consisting of medicinal plants and other natural remedies. Second, baths in decoctions of medicinal plants. 3. Healing, preventive and therapeutic massage with healing aromatic oils. 4th, rubbing medicated ointments, using drugs made from natural remedies in the form of powder and compresses. 5. Therapeutic bleeding, hajamat. 6. Treatment with smell, aromatherapy. 7. Psychotherapy, treatment with music and colors, self-suggestion, etc. 8. If necessary, surgery. Hello, we will teach you how to take care of your health by creating this channel. For now, I will tell you about 3 types of perfect plants. These are the healing masterpieces of the human body. Beet angina. Gargling with beetroot juice has a positive effect on tonsillitis. For this reason, it is necessary to pass the beet through a fine grater and squeeze its juice. Cucumber. Eye inflammation. Half a cup of fresh cucumber peel is added to 1/2 cup of boiling water and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. They use it as a wetting agent. Corn, cholecystitis. Boil 1 tablespoon of cornflakes in 1 cup of hot water and strain after keeping for 1 hour. It is necessary to take 1 tablespoon every 3 hours a day. Goodbye and stay healthy. That's all we have for today. Thank you for watching.